Woke up this morning to the sound of the wind. No city sirens, no machines are dim. My little wooden house sits high on the ridge, above the valley, past the old stone bridge. The mist rolls in slow through the cedar trees, and I stretch my arms wide in the morning breeze. No boss man calling, no phone ringing loud, just me and the eagle circling under a cloud. I'm a mountain river man, living free and slow, where the wild figs ripen low and the clean waters flow. My roof is tin and timber, my floor is good pine, and the only thing I answer to is the sun when it shines. I walk the riverbank in the cool of the day, pick the wild berries growing along the way. Sweet on my tongue like the Lord put them there. No pesticide, no chemicals, just God's open air. The guava hangs heavy on the bend in the trail. The pawpaw glows golden past the old cattle rail. I eat what the earth gives, I drink the stream clean. This the richest man's life that you ever have seen. I'm a mountain river man, living free and slow, where the wild figs ripen low and the clean waters flow. My roof is tin and timber, my floor is good pine, and the only thing I answer to is the sun when it shines. They say I got nothing, no mansion, no car, but I sleep with the window open under 1,000,000 stars. The smoke of my firewood drifts into the night, and my soul, yeah, my soul finally feels right. Come evening, I sit on my old timber porch, watch the fireflies dance like 1,000 small torches. The river sings low as the darkness rolls in, and I thank the good Lord for this life that I'm in. No pollution, no pressure, no concrete and steel, just the crack of dry wood and the night's cool feel. My tiny house glows like a lantern on high, a warm little ember beneath the big sky. I'm a mountain river man, living free and slow, where the wild figs ripen low and the clean waters flow. My roof is tin and timber, my floor is good pine, and the only thing I answer to is the sun when it shines.